welcome back to Journey with Joy. I'll be showing you how to make an easy DIY moisturizing botanical gel for 4C natural hair. First, we'll start by cutting our aloe vera and putting the inner fillet into the blender. Aloe vera gel is what makes this botanical gel so moisturizing. Aloe vera is a humectant, which means that it draws moisture from the air and keeps your hair hydrated. Aloe is also known to strengthen the hair. This is due to the fatty acids and the amino acids that play a part in healthy hair follicles. Once all of the inner fillet gel is in the blender, turn it on for a few seconds to liquefy it. Then strain the gel to ensure that you won't have any aloe chunks in your hair. To make flaxseed gel, put 2 cups of distilled water into a pot and boil it. Once the water has boiled, add in a 1/4 cup of flax seeds and make sure that all the flax seeds are submerged in the water, and then set a timer for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes of boiling, you'll start to see a gel cast on the side of the pot, and once you run the spoon through it, you'll get a mucus-like string that'll drip off the spoon, which will let you know that the gel is ready. If you'd like the gel to be thicker, just go ahead and continue boiling the gel until it gets to the consistency of your liking. Once you've gotten the flaxseed gel to your liking, go ahead, turn off the stove, and strain the gel. You do not need to wait till it's cold. Just strain it right away. It'll go a lot easier and faster. Once the gel has completely cooled off, go ahead and pour it into any containers that you may have left over. The best part about it being DIY is that you can always freeze the gel that you don't use right away so that it doesn't spoil and you have more for later. It's honestly that easy, and it's the best substitute for leave-in, honestly. So I hope you guys enjoyed and will be trying this on your hair instead of a leave-in under your gel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.